Ginger and garlic detox, a miracle drink or just another health trend? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Ginger boosts digestion, fights inflammation and help with weight loss. Garlic strengthens immunity, lowers blood pressure and also has antibacterial properties. But does it detox your body? Not really. Your liver and kidney do the detoxing. Ginger and garlic drink does not magically remove toxins from your body. It can help with digestion, improve your immunity, and also help you in losing weight. Have you tried this drink before? Let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to like and follow for more health tips.